The North American P-51 Mustang is more than just an aircraft. It is a symbol of ingenuity, resilience, and triumph in one of the most defining periods of the 20th century. As one of the most iconic fighter planes of World War II, the P-51 Mustang is celebrated for its speed, range, and superior performance. The aircraft played a pivotal role in achieving air superiority for the Allies, fundamentally altering the course of the air war in Europe. This article delves into the history, design, impact, and enduring legacy of the P-51 Mustang, a marvel of aviation engineering that left an indelible mark on both the war and subsequent aeronautical designs. The genesis of the P-51 Mustang is a fascinating tale of transatlantic cooperation and innovation born out of necessity. In the early years of World War II, Britain found itself in dire need of a superior fighter aircraft. The Royal Air Force, RAF, was engaged in a desperate struggle against the formidable German Luftwaffe, and existing British fighters had limitations in range and performance. The solution came from an unexpected source on the other side of the Atlantic, North American Aviation in the United States. In 1940, the British Purchasing Commission approached NAA with a request to produce Curtiss P-40 Warhawks under license. However, James H. Dutch Kindleberger, the president of North American Aviation, proposed a more ambitious project to design and build a completely new aircraft tailored to the RAF's needs. The British, recognizing the potential benefits of this bold proposal, agreed. What emerged from this collaboration was nothing short of revolutionary. The P-51 Mustang's design included several innovative features that set it apart from its contemporaries. One of the most significant was the laminar flow wing, a novel aerodynamic design that reduced drag and enhanced speed and range. This wing, characterized by a thick airfoil with most of its curvature near the leading edge, allowed the Mustang to achieve remarkable aerodynamic efficiency. However, the real game-changer for the P-51 came with the introduction of the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine. Initially, the Mustang was equipped with an Allison V1710 engine, which performed well at lower altitudes but was inadequate for high-altitude combat. The British suggested fitting the Mustang with the Merlin engine, known for its high-altitude performance, which was already being used in the Spitfire. The combination of the Mustang's advanced airframe with the Merlin's power resulted in a fighter that was not only fast, but also highly maneuverable at all altitudes. The first prototype, the NA-73X, took to the skies in October 1940, just 102 days after the contract was signed, a testament to the urgency of wartime necessity and the capability of North American's engineering team. The initial flight trials were promising, and the RAF began receiving the Mustang Mk1 in 1941. Despite its excellent low-altitude performance, the need for an engine upgrade was clear, and subsequent modifications led to the definitive version powered by the Merlin engine. The P-51 Mustang's performance in combat quickly validated the design innovations and decisions made during its development. With a top speed exceeding 430 miles per hour and an operational range that allowed it to escort bombers deep into enemy territory, the P-51 Mustang excelled in roles that were beyond the reach of many of its predecessors. Its role as an escort fighter was particularly significant during the Allied strategic bombing campaigns over Europe. Escort fighters were crucial for protecting the lumbering, heavily loaded bombers as they penetrated deep into enemy airspace. Before the introduction of the P-51, bomber formations suffered devastating losses due to a lack of adequate fighter cover over long distances. The Mustang changed this dynamic by providing a capable and reliable escort that could accompany bombers all the way to their targets and back. In air-to-air combat, the Mustang proved to be a formidable adversary for the Luftwaffe. Its agility and speed allowed it to outmaneuver German fighters, while its robust armament of 650 caliber Browning machine guns enabled it to deliver punishing blows to enemy aircraft. The P-51 earned a reputation as a superior dogfighter, able to engage in close combat with enemy planes and emerge victorious. The versatility of the P-51 Mustang also saw it performing ground attack roles. Equipped with bombs and rockets, the Mustang could strike ground targets with precision, supporting ground forces and disrupting enemy supply lines. This versatility further cemented its status as an invaluable asset to the Allied war effort. The introduction of the P-51 Mustang marked a watershed moment in the aerial battles of World War II. Its superiority in air combat and its extended range allowed the Allies to establish control of the skies over Europe. This air superiority was crucial for the success of the Allied strategic bombing campaign, which aimed to cripple Germany's industrial and military capabilities. The Mustang's effectiveness as a bomber escort played a pivotal role in reducing the heavy losses previously incurred by bombers. With the protection offered by the P-51, Allied bomber formations could conduct raids with increased safety and effectiveness. This shift in air strategy contributed to the weakening of the German war machine and accelerated the collapse of the Luftwaffe. Moreover, the Mustang's presence in the skies had a psychological impact on both Allied and Axis forces. For the Allies, the sight of Mustangs flying overhead was a symbol of protection and impending victory. For the Axis, particularly the German Luftwaffe pilots, the P-51 was a feared opponent that required careful consideration and strategy to confront. The Mustang's impact extended beyond Europe. It played significant roles in other theaters of war, including the Pacific, where its long range allowed it to escort bombers on missions across vast ocean distances. Its adaptability and effectiveness in varied combat environments underscored its importance to the overall Allied war effort. The legacy of the P-51 Mustang extends far beyond its wartime contributions. Its design influenced future generations of aircraft, serving as a blueprint for combining speed, range, and maneuverability. The Mustang's success demonstrated the potential of marrying innovative aerodynamics with powerful propulsion systems, a philosophy that continued to inform aircraft development in the post-war years. In addition to its technical legacy, the P-51 Mustang remains a beloved symbol of engineering excellence and military prowess. Its sleek design and storied history continue to captivate aviation enthusiasts and historians alike. Many Mustangs survive to this day, lovingly restored and flown by private collectors and museums. These aircraft serve as tangible links to the past, commemorating the bravery of the pilots who flew them and the ingenuity of the engineers who designed them. The Mustang also holds a special place in popular culture, featuring prominently in films, books, and other media that depict the air battles of World War II. Its distinctive appearance and storied combat record have made it a favorite subject for model makers and aviation artists, ensuring that its legacy endures across generations. The North American P-51 Mustang's pivotal role in World War II and its enduring legacy underscore its importance in the annals of aviation history. As a symbol of innovation and courage, the Mustang stands as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of its creators and pilots. It is a reminder of a time when the outcome of a global conflict hung in the balance, and how engineering excellence and strategic foresight helped tip the scales in favor of the Allies. The Mustang story is one of collaboration across borders, rapid technological advancement, and the relentless pursuit of superiority. It is a story that continues to inspire, reminding us of the heights that can be achieved when necessity and creativity converge. In the skies of World War II, the P-51 Mustang was not just an aircraft. It was a harbinger of victory and a beacon of hope for a world striving for peace.